Here's another great for finding blog topics, ideas for your blog niche website is to go over to Quora.com, Quora.com. It's another question and answer site like some of the ones I've been showing you. But here you're able to go up here and search Quora. So let's just say you're going to create a website that is all about stray cats. Okay, so your entire website is a niche website and you've zeroed it down to stray cats. So how to save a stray cat, how to tame a stray cat, how to nurture a stray cat, you know, and then all of the stuff that you need to take care of a stray cat. I'm using that as an example because I'm somebody, I had a cat show up on my doorstep 2 years ago, and I knew nothing about cats or what to do. So I had to Google everything. So anyway, I'm just using that as an example because cats would be way too big of a niche to start off with, but you could start off with stray cats and develop that into more. Anyway, so let's look at search Quora, and I'm going to type in stray cats. All right, so here we go. We've got topics, stray cats. We don't want the band. We don't want stray cattle. We want stray cats. Now, oh my goodness, can you shoot a stray cat on your property? That's the first thing I see here. What we're looking for now is questions that people type in that we can use. In fact, feral cats might also be the way to go if stray cats doesn't get us where we want to go. Okay, so stray cats being potentially abandoned cats, feral cats being ones that were birthed in the wild. But anyway, let's take a look here. We're definitely going to ignore that first one. All right, what should I do? Okay, that's a stray dog. How do you go out of your way to help abandoned cats? All right, that could be a blog topic, right? So this would be somebody that wants to help stray cats rather than bring one into their home. That's a great blog topic for a website about stray cats. Okay, so now we've got another one about the cat nursing on her shirt. Can feral cats in a colony make friends with people? That's another great blog topic. Have you ever saved the life of a feral or abandoned cat? There's probably some good stuff in there. Do feral cats voluntarily come into people's homes? Gosh, that's something I Googled right there. What's the best way to get a stray cat to stop peeing on your property? Okay, there's another one. Gosh, guys, the ideas are endless. Just one idea after the next. Let's say I'm building a blog website all about, let me see. I'm going to build a niche website all about essential oils. I know a lot of women that sell essential oils. So let's just see, you can do topic essential oils. Okay, should a person with nut or food allergies use essential oils? What's the best way to take holy basil? What is lavender good for? Can tree oil be used inside the nose? Do essential oils combined with reflexology work? Are essential oils healthier, etc., etc.? Okay, you guys see this? You get the idea? It's endless. Pick a niche. Just about anything. Let's see. I'm a real estate agent also, and I do a lot with horse property. So let's look up horse property. All right, topic horse properties. Hold on, I just saw it. Horse, it might be equestrian, might be better, but let me just see. Topic horse properties. Nothing. Equestrian estates. No. Equestrian property. Let me just do equestrian. Equestrianism. I didn't know that was a word. try something else. Horses at home. There, okay. How much does it cost to maintain a horse by your house? That's a good one. Can we keep a horse at home? What's the best way to make a horse saddle at home? Okay. So boarding horses might be another one. Boarding horses is a topic. How much does it cost to board them? What's the annual cost to own a horse? That would be a great blog topic right here. For me, in Las Vegas, having horse property, what's the annual cost to own a horse in Las Vegas? That would be a good question. Okay, how about maybe something like horse stalls? How can I build horse stalls in my barn? That would be a good one. What's the best types of stall bedding to use? That would be a good one. There we go. These are much, much better. Okay, so clearly I don't know much about horses. So this is the kind of research that you do. You start with your niche. You have an idea for something. Okay, you know, I want to build a website all about people that, let's just say, people that love Jeeps. They love their Jeeps and they want to build a website all about Jeeps or whatever car, motorcycle, or my good friend Jamie from New Orleans, she keeps posting pictures of her Jeep, so it's making me think about it. Whatever that is, you might want to build a whole website, but you may only know certain things about your own. You may not know what everybody else is searching. So using a website like Quora can help. I have another niche website about the keto diet. Okay, and I'm a keto coach. So let's say you want to do keto. So there you go. What's the downside of keto? Is keto healthy? What has keto taught you? Is staying on it long term a good idea? Ooh, what is the Indian vegetarian version of the keto diet? That's fascinating. Is it dangerous? What foods do you eat? So on and on and on and on again. Anything that people are typing in here make great blog topics. So that's another lesson for you on how to find ideas for your niche website or blog.